Guys, we are here in the 2024 Honda CR-V. Number 1, guys. Guys, let's check the engine of this vehicle. Wow, it's hydraulic. See, imagine hydraulic support. Nice. Alright guys, let's check the interior of the vehicle. Okay guys, dito sa interiors, nindot kayo ang steering wheels. Napaka sporty. Like sa dashboard, synthetic leather. Then infotainment system, push button start, easy vents, like mura sa joystick na imong i-adjust. Then hazard light. Then it has a wooden garnish nga walnut color. Then rotary switch ang iyahang adjustment sa easy. Then push button sa fan, front and rear. Then modes also sa seat adjustment. Then sa air circulation, it has a C-type USB charging with USB standard supply, 12 volt supply, wireless charging, leather shift gear. Then it has an econ mode, hill assist, electronic parking brake, and brake hold. This is a automatic transmission guys, reverse, neutral, drive, and S. So it has also a cup holders, center armrest, leather wrap, storage. Napakasti guys. Then dito, sorry may mga gamit kami dyan. Ito yung sa box niya, tapos rotary. Sun visor, it has a vanity mirror for the driver's side, lights here, push button. Oh sorry guys, it's off. Then from the passenger side, it has also a vanity mirror. Sunroof, full guys, sunroof from drivers to passengers. Alright, super elegant. Number 1, interiors. Napaka-astig ang interior. So, Mrs., anong masasabi mo? Ano sa kanindot?
Actually, ginahan ko siya akay, pareho siya colors ako ang blazer.
Ay,
so, diba? So, match siya karon. So, wala natutuyo nga, pareho siya color. So, actually, maroon is kuan. Sa pinaka mga tsada kaya nga color. It's an all-time color, no? Pwede siya bisan asa, and usually stand out gid siya sa bisan asa nga lugar, no? So, especially ani na car. Oh, and kuan siya kana sa Na ma-plaster yung kag maayo bitaw maglingkod ka.
Amazing. It has a full leather seats. All interiors has a two-tone, black and seem like avocado grays.
Kung bantayan niyo, ang color niya is duha lang kabok. Inchada yung pagka-combine sa black and gray. So, diba? Grabe siya ka-elegante tanawon.
Okay. Guys, look at the wheels. This is tilt and telescopic. You can tilt. You can adjust the height. You can adjust the height and tilt and telescopic. This steering wheels has a leather wrap steering wheels, with black stitching. It has also a paddle shift. Then the left side has a control buttons, audio, and a cruise control. On the other side, it has also an SRS airbags in the center, with chrome garnish at the center. You know, very sporty. Great, guys. Okay. Now, air vents, so cute. You can adjust like a joystick.
Okay guys, welcome sa 7-seater nga sakyanan sa Honda CR-V and nata karon sa second row area which is tulo kay sa 5 feet 4 na nga height igani ang distansya sa headroom na ay 10 cm and sa legroom naman 25 cm ang distance. So, nata sa second row, so makita ninyo na ay tulo ka lingkuranan and then sa third row naapoy duha ka lingkuranan. So overall 7-seater.
Guys, if you want to go to the third row, you have to pull this lever here, this lever, then go down like that. Simple. Hi mga garage, if you are new to my channel, please click that like,
Subscribe
and press that notification bell for you to notify.
for more upcoming videos.
Alright.
Yeah, life's about just finding that right balance.